Hello and welcome again, and today is the last in the trilogy of the new mini cheddars flavours. Today is Chipotle chicken wings, and this one's got the hot, see, 3 of those things, so I'm expecting some goodness out of this. Now the medium one was the nacho cheese, and that had a bit of kick, not serious kick, but kick. Let's see about these ones then. Don't smell of much. Yeah. Let's see. Well, I wouldn't call them hot. They're very nice. They're sort of spicy chicken wing flavour, really, but not hot. Oh. I'm sorry, Jacobs, but your nacho cheese ones, the medium ones, are in fact hotter than the hot ones. But there we go. It's still good, as I say. Yeah, probably the worst out of this bunch of new flavours. I'd say I don't know whether the lime or the nacho. It depends on depends on my mood, really. If I was going to say one, it would, nachos. I think nacho cheese, I'd say, would be the one. But, well, these are all right. So they're worth picking up if there's nothing else. But get the other 2 flavours first. Much better. They're all right. Not going to throw them away. Anyway. Thanks for watching. Shame it was a bit of a disappointing one today, but there we are. You've got to have the lows with the highs, haven't you? Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and above all, stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next one. Cheerio.